Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect small crossbody bag to just carry your cell phone and a few items like a wallet? Look no further. I have found this adorable crossbody purse by Montana West. I have it here in this super cute green Western pattern that I really love. And this is just the perfect size for when you need to carry your cell phone and just a handful of your essential items, but you want your hands to be free and you want to be comfortable. So this sits as a lovely long crossbody bag. The strap is super comfortable. The material is very soft and I love that it's thin so it's not weighing too heavy on my shoulder. And I appreciate the design of this bag because it has a specific pocket for your cell phone with a little snap, and that's the part that rests against your body so you know it's nice and secure. And then the bag has a zipper and I'm able to keep the things that I need most with me. So I've got a hand sanitizer, I've got my chapstick, I've got a couple of other things in here. You're able to hold like a small wallet and then you're good to go. So I love how versatile this bag is. I love that it keeps my cell phone separate, and I love that it is super comfy to wear, and on top of that it is adorable looking. This Western style looks so good with like a denim jacket or a cute hat and some boots. It's adorable, and I love that I can just take my cell phone and the things I need with me on the go, and it's so convenient. So if you're looking for the perfect small crossbody purse to hold your cell phone and your wallet for you, I highly recommend checking out this one by Montana West. I think you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.